wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am finally testing out the new Nars foundation everyone is talking about. So if you want to hear my thoughts, see how it looks on the face, let's go. So this is the new Nars Light Reflecting Advanced Skincare Foundation. This retails for $49 for 1 fluid ounce. Comes in 36 shades. I picked it up in the shade Iguaku? I've been told how you actually pronounce this before, I just don't remember. But that is Deep 3. That's usually the shade I pick up in other foundations, and I believe this one had a neutral foundation, so I went with it. Let's see what they say about this. An advanced makeup skincare hybrid foundation with a natural finish that quickly blurs and smooths while visibly improving skin's clarity over time. Coverage is medium. Ooh. Finish is natural. Formulation is liquid. Visibly improves clarity. Supports a strong skin barrier. Minimize the negative effect of blue light. Breathable, medium coverage, buildable foundation, quickly conceals visible redness, blemishes, and dark spots while blurring the look of wrinkles, pores, and texture. Okay, well, let's just get into this one. You know, when Nars drops a new foundation, you just gotta try it. Soft matte, still that girl. Sheer glow, still that girl. The only one I don't really like, if you notice, my tongue is blue. I switched aminos, and it's like a blue raspberry flavor. Listen, I addressed it, okay? The only one I really don't like is what, Natural Radiant, I think is what that one's called. I don't really care for that one. But other than that, I like every other Nars complexion product that I've tried. Okay, I was not expecting it to be that watery, but this has that makeup smell. And it's just only right that I use Radiant Creamy as concealer today. Oh, I didn't really show what the shade, well, I mean, I haven't blended out the rest of the concealer, so you can see what the shade itself looks like before, you know, I do the rest of my face. Wait a minute, now it might be a little too early to toot my horn, but this is giving what Natural Radiant thinks it's giving as far as skin goes. This is gonna be my face for the day. It is 1:32. I know I'm late in the afternoon. I'm gonna go, I got some TikToks to film, but I'm gonna come check in midday and then I'll be back here later tonight so you can see how this held up on my face. But for right now, she's doing it for me, okay? Because face. So it is a 5:25. This is my face is looking like. Listen, Nars really might have done something with this foundation. I feel like she's starting to give that, you know, like when makeup's been sitting on your face, like now your face is really cooked. You know, you do the little baking, but you know, after you finish baking, like your face is still giving a little powdery. Y'all know what I'm talking about? I feel like that moment when your face is like really all melted together and it's been sitting on your face for a good minute, that's where my face is getting. It's been, I don't remember what time I left for the day, but okay, Nars, listen. We gonna see. I'm gonna come back in a couple more hours. I need to go start dinner. I'm gonna come back in a couple more hours. Listen, don't mind this lash right here, okay? I literally went to go pull it off, which that is not how you should be taking off your lashes, but you know what? Some days I don't care. And then I realized I was still filming this video and I was like, shouldn't at least make it to like mid-video with the lashes still on, but really? After I finish filming videos, like if I go out and I come home, I take them right on off. Will they still be on by the end of the video? I wouldn't bet money on it, but you know, we'll see. Oh, but like, oh wait, no, to me. But there's a close-up on my face. All right, y'all, so I am back. It is 7:53 and this is my face is looking like. Baby, Nars did that. They did that. Okay, I mean, I'm already putting it in as far as a contender for launch of the year, and it's only January because, mind you, I haven't been impressed with a foundation like that in a long time, okay? Now, I told you before, I have liked most of the foundations that Nars put out except for Natural Radiant, and like I said before I left, this is what Natural Radiant be thinking is gonna do on the face, and I would have to say, it's the first day. So, you know, we're gonna have to keep playing around with it, but it's up there with the complexion products that I have tried with Nars. Favorite? Sheer Glow still holds that place. Did I say Sheer Glow? I did. But by the end of the year, that could change. Mind you, I'm thinking about it all day. Like, okay, I already know I like it better than Natural Radiant. But what is the difference here with this one and Sheer Glow? And I'm thinking about, you know, I feel like Sheer Glow, it gives you, you know, kind of like glow from within. It sits well on the face. It plays well, even though I am someone who has combo oily skin. And I'm thinking about this one, I'm like, okay, so what's the difference? But because I feel like this one not really though. When I think about it, is it really giving like glow from within type of thing? Or is it just, you know, like my face getting dewy because I have oily skin? But I had to think about it. And I feel like this is more so like your face is just airbrushed. Like a runway ready, a picture ready, you know, Instagram worthy type thing without having like, you know, Instagram makeup coverage, that full coverage type of Instagram makeup. It doesn't have any of that. But then I thought about what it said in the description, what this offers, and I was like, that's what it is. It's like a filter, but natural. No makeup, natural filter-ish type foundation. Let me run you the things that this said it offered. Breathable, yep, y'all already know if I start feeling makeup on my face, it's a problem. Medium coverage, yeah. I would say it's pretty spot on medium. Like the last foundation I tried, the LA Girl, it was pretty sheer coming out, but that was a tinted moisturizer. This one it's a medium coverage thing, but you could wear it either way, you know, a little more sheer, a little more full coverage, and it would still look nice on the face. Buildable. Quickly conceals visible redness, blah, 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 blah. Where's the part about blurring? Natural finish. Yes, this has a natural finish, and I love that about foundations. Now, probably what's best for my face is something that's a little more soft matte, but I'm gonna make natural finishes work for me because natural finishes just give that finish that I want on my face, that quickly blurs and smooths. That's what it is. That's what it is about this one that sets this apart from Natural Radiant and Sheer Glow. For me, that's what it does on the face. I like this on the face while visibly improving skin's clarity over time. Anything else? That's pretty much it. Yeah, y'all. I feel like this pretty much lives up to what it says it's going to do in the description. Emphasis on natural finish. Again, I've got oily skin. So am I starting to get oily? Yes, I am. But kind of like what I said with the LA Girl tinted moisturizer, it's called tinted foundation. Oily skin, I feel, mind you, like this is pretty decent for someone who naturally has oily skin, and I just finished cooking dinner, okay? So that means my face was over the stove. But keep in mind, like oily skin, if you are going to use more of a mattifying primer, a mattifying powder, stuff like that on the face, like you're really going to get chef's kiss with this one. I will try blotting my face real quick. It's usually like right here around my nose where product starts to build up. This is what that looks like. She gave it a little transfer, but again, it's usually the product that was like sitting here in the crevice of my nose. But yeah, I like it. If you couldn't tell, I like it. And I haven't been impressed like this with a foundation for a good minute. During the day, I was thinking, is it giving like tinted moisturizer? It's not. But again, if you want something a little lighter, but it's still giving your face, you know, that filtered, blurred, smooth look, this one right here. I'm telling y'all, she a contender for one of the best foundations that Nars don't put out. I like Sheer Glow. What's it called? Soft matte. If you got oily skin, that's the one for you. They have a tinted moisturizer. That one. Talk about throwback. I wore that to my college graduation. Yeah, okay. Okay. That was Drea. She was like, oh, TikTok's fun now. Okay, because I'm pretty sure that's what I told you. But you know what? Anyway, what was I saying? I don't even remember what I was saying. I wore the tinted moisturizer to my college graduation. So, you know, I've been in this for a minute with Nars. And this one, I want to say like first impressions, because Sheer Glow, again, I had oily skin back then. You know, it was just kind of like, back then it was also that more everything has to be matte face type thing. So I don't believe, don't quote me, I don't believe right off the bat I was like on team Sheer Glow. I think it took some time for me to be like, wait a minute, this is kind of, but this one, actually soft matte I liked right off, but this one, go ahead and get it. Get you a sample, just try it out, see if you like it. It's worth it. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it for this video. So I will insert flash test right here. I'm gonna go eat my dinner. Okay, I'm hungry. But yeah, that is it on this foundation. Elf will be coming soon. That Elf Camo CC, the little powder foundation that it came out with. And you guys said you wanted the Charlotte Tilbury and Dior, so those will also be coming soon. So yeah, I hope this helps for anyone who was thinking of picking this up. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.